When was the last time that you went to the store and the prices were lower than the day prior? Yeah, it hasn't happened in a long time, at least not for me. And the double whammy that we are getting is that our electric bills are going to get higher and higher. In fact, I want to share with y'all something that it just happened here. The biggest electric increase is happening right now because of oil prices. Yes, the oil that we in Alaska produce, for all intended purposes, one of the biggest producers. And yet, we are tethered to the global market. Although we are the ones who produce the oil, we have to now pay more for higher oil prices because what's happening somewhere across the world. Guys, if you think the prices are going to go down, you are sadly mistaken. The prices have nowhere to go but up, and they will continue to go up, just like it happened to us here, that after June 1st, our electric bill is going to go an average of $50 more per month. Well, guess what? It's probably coming to you if it's not already there. If it is already there, let us know down in the comment section below. I'm curious to know if you are already facing higher electric bills. And now, I want to mention too that, believe it or not, this is not the first increase that we have seen. We have seen other increases, but this is the highest one that we have seen thus far. And I don't think it's going to be the last one. I think, quite honestly, they're taking advantage of us. They want to squeeze us as much as possible. They want to take everything that we have because they don't care. They are there for the profit, and that's it. If they would have cared, I guarantee you that there will be some executive order flat out come out and say, we produce oil, therefore the global market price should not affect here at home. Have you seen anything? Of course you will not. Of course you will not. Well, Billy, it's impossible to do it. Why not? Why not? Making America great again is impossible? That's what I voted for. I didn't vote to get higher prices at the pump. I didn't vote to get higher electric bills. I didn't vote for my premiums to go up, insurance premiums. I didn't vote to get into any war. I didn't vote for none of that. So why not? Why not make America great again? That's what I voted for. What do you vote for? Do you vote for Make America Great Again? Or do you vote for something else? Or have you seen what you voted for flip completely? Let me know down in the comment section below, because I tell you what, I mentioned to y'all in one of my previous videos, regardless of what your beliefs are, regardless of whether you are red, you blue, you purple, you whatever you are, the prices will get you. They will get you. When you go to the store and you buy a gallon of milk, it's going to cost you the same it's going to cost me, regardless whether we agree with each other or not. Plain and simple. When we turn on, or we have to turn down the thermostat during winter because we can't afford the heat, you and I are going to be in the same boat. I know a lot of folks are pretty much thinking or typing already, you better have a wood stove. We do. But not everybody's in the same boat when it comes to that. Not everybody's allowed or willing to baby a wood stove, because you have to baby a wood stove. You don't just put one load in there and walk away. That's no. And plus, wood stove takes a little bit more love, TLC, love, tender care, because if you don't watch it, poof, everything can go out in smoke, literally. So not a lot of people have wood stoves. I think wood stoves are great, but not a lot of people have them. Now, let's go back to the whole prices will continue to go up. when we see this type of things, prices going up, we see the data centers popping everywhere, and there's a huge push from us, we the people, against data centers. And I think that is one of the major things that a lot of folks are seeing their electric bill increase, the data centers. Also, because I mentioned it in other videos, the fact that they are upgrading the grid and the cost is going to be passed on to you, because the sure are not going to absorb the cost. I mean, that's not part of their business. The business is passing on to you, in little nibbles. Remember, the whole idea of many mice eating from the same cheese and whatnot? Well, they had been nibbling at the cheese for so long now that there is barely any cheese left. But there's still something there. You still have a few pennies left in your pocket. And we want those pennies. Yeah, that's exactly how they think. So prices definitely will not go down. Prices will continue to go up. One thing that is actually worrying me is, especially during winter time, if something doesn't happen, or prices are being put down, or something, we will see casualties, because people won't be able to afford their heat. People won't be able to keep their house warm. And let's face it, we have a population, an aging population, and the older that we get, the more heat that we need, because we're not as warm as we used to. And the fact is that in order for you to produce heat, you have to eat more meat, and meat is more expensive. So you see, it's always this snowball effect. One thing affects the other, and then the other, and then the other. And at the end of the day, when you look at your paycheck, you have nothing left. In fact, by the end of the week, not only you don't have anything left, but now you owed a credit card company money, because you needed to borrow money in order to pay for whether your electric bill, your groceries, probably taxes. So where are we? Prices will continue to go up. We getting involved in more craziness. You and I did not vote for this nonsense. We voted to make America great again. And I want America to be great again. And in order for America to be great again, we cannot continue to pay these absurd amounts of money every time that we go to the store. Every time that we get a bill and you open that envelope, it's like, where am I supposed to pay? The electric bill, the water bill, the mortgage, the insurance, because I have nothing left to give. So now I am borrowing money. Now I am getting more into debt. And they have the guts, government officials have the guts to say the economy is doing good, because the consumer debt, the credit card debt, is higher. Americans are using their credit cards more. That's because we ain't got no money. We have zero money. And we are now living on borrowed time. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.